Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to receive your money for hosting on Airbnb. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after you connect and log into your account, all you need to do is to go to your profile settings. So we are going to click on our profile, and then we are going to click on account. Basically here in account, we need to search for the payment and payouts option. Basically here you are going to click on it, and we need to search for the payment. So basically here how to manage the payment. So we are going to pay out, and we search we need here we are going to add the method, so we know to send your money. So basically here all you need to do is to set up a payment method where you want to receive your payment. So either you are going to receive it on PayPal, or a bank transfer into your bank account, or Pioneer. So you will need just to choose from these options, and then just choose the filing country, and then you will set up your byline method or payouts method. And by that, whenever someone send you money or have a guest reserve like a trip to your hosting, you will receive the money after they give the money. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.